My head is so itchy right now, y'all. I needed a wig break. Okay, I needed a wig break. All right. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me share the stream with everybody. Hi, everybody. Hi, hi, hi. Finally, this day is about. Well, let me know what you guys see. We are back. I told you guys we were going to be back. Listen, I need a little wig break. Damn, like my head is itchy, y'all. It's itchy. I needed a little wig break. I really, really did need a little wig break. Y'all hit the like button. All right, let me share this with everybody. I cannot. You said Judge Rabbit the only wears the wig for the Diddy. That's right. I haven't even. It's still here. My head was itchy, y'all. My head was itchy. I loved it. All right, let me share this with everybody. Give me 1 second because I'm sure people didn't get notified. All right, everybody, come through. Okay, so let's get it together, guys. Oh my God, did you become a member? Thank you for becoming a member. VSOP85. Thank you, my love. Shout out to you. Thank you. Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, we have to. No, I had a Chrissy, you missed it. I had a wig on earlier. Some of you guys missed it. Hey, Didi, we had a wig. I was wearing my Judge Rabbit. My head got itchy. I don't know. I'm sure that people that where the wigs get their, they just like gotta take it off for a little bit. But yeah, it got itchy, and I had it on for a whole hour. That was itchy. That was itchy. All right. Let's read this article, guys, because you missed it. You missed the wig. Let's talk about this. So this is what we have going on right now. Did I eat? I thank you. Thank you, Night Charm. I appreciate it. Y'all missed it. The wigs had the curl too. Okay? It had a little curl. It did. It was cute. Menendez brothers' attorney seeks recusal of district attorney from resentencing, citing bias. So you guys remember this new DA that came in. People feel some type of way about him. He's not in support of resentencing the Menendez brothers, which is what the other district attorney purported and supported, right? Finding out new evidence. He's not for it, right? He's actually putting a lot of roadblocks to stop any kind of resentencing. For those that don't know, the Menendez are the brothers that have been behind bar for more than 30 years over the murder of their parents. Jose Menendez was the head of RCA, who was connected to Menudo. There's been new evidence of SA that had been disclosed, and the prosecution ignored initially. And then further digging, this evidence was something that they could not ignore. So they brought it back up again in hopes to reduce the sentence or at least get them time served. The new DA, who was just elected, is not in support of that, even though the old DA was in support of that. So there's that. So this is a thing this is like the theme. This is what's been happening. And so we are just giving you guys an update. They're outside of the courtroom because there is a hearing. Okay, because there's a hearing currently to basically remove this DA from the case. So the Menendez brothers' battle for freedom is bringing their attorney to court in Los Angeles again for a Friday hearing as the incarcerated duo, who have been behind bars for more than 30 years after being found guilty of the shocking 1989 Beverly Hills Silver murder of their parents, seeks to boot the LA District Attorney's Office from the case entirely, citing the new DA's bias and a conflict of interest. Okay, so that is where we're at right now. Guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. This DA is downright offensive. Oh my God. And I guess so they showed, like, honestly, they showed was it the grandma, not the grandmother, I'm sorry, there was an aunt who was in the courtroom. They showed like photos of the crime scene, and the lady had like a reaction to it. Okay, so this was huge. She had a reaction to it. She had to basically be hospitalized for a couple days, and he was unapologetic about it. He was like, well, we didn't mean to do this, but it is what it is. It's their elderly, so it's their aunt. Thank you. You said, I hope this DA is harder on crimes moving forward, especially with certain upcoming cases. Wink, wink. Wink, wink. I know. You said, oh my God, I feel exposed not being green, waiting for the new card. What are you talking about, Sama? That guy is strange. He has a personal problem with them. Ah, okay. Give me one sec. Sorry, she asked for a drink. Yes, so gavel. Oh, yes, yes, yes. It was the British wig, judge wig. Yes, it was. We did. We brought, that's my real hair. What are you talking about? Even though my head's a little itchy now. One sec, guys. Said rabbit, a hair went, a rabbit, a hair went we. When we what? Sorry, I'm like reading half of the you wear wigs in Australia too? Do they still wear wigs over there too with the judge's robe and everything? Now I have a lot of questions. Um yeah, the hair went white. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Okay, so anyways, so this is where we're at right now. We're waiting to hear what's going to happen outside of the courtroom. Everybody's outside of the courtroom. People are asking for clemency. People are asking for different things for these Menendez brothers. Now, hold up. Y'all, I had all my Diddy stuff up. So we got a lot of court stuff happening today, guys. Let me see. Menendez brothers is still there. Everybody's still waiting. I wonder if they're going to like remove this attorney. I do wonder if that's going to be the case. Would that be the best for this situation? I don't know. Will they get out? You said I heard somewhere that he went to high school with them. Makes me wonder if it was all personal. He did? What is the ethical part? I guess that's the question. Hold up. Let's see. Menendez brothers. Okay, motion to boot the DA's office from Menendez brothers case goes before the judge. This is today, okay? Will they get out? That is the question. All right. Now let me read more information that we have so far until something gets started. I'm sure they'll probably have a press conference at this point. So Friday's court hearing will be the latest in a series regarding the potential resentencing of Eric, 54, and his older brother Lyle, 57. It comes a month after Los Angeles County Court Judge Michael refused District Attorney Nathan Hochman's request to toss out his predecessor George Gascon's request that a resentencing for the brothers be considered. The brothers were not allowed to use their imperfect self defense argument in their second joint trial or any evidence that they'd been sexually abused and emotionally by Jose Menendez for most of their lives. Recent compelling evidence that indicate the brothers were telling the truth about the abuse they suffered has caused a sea change in how their extended family and the public at large views the case. Nathan, who said he spent a great deal of time poring over the case since taking office last year, is not one of those compelled by the new evidence and has stated that the brothers cannot be released until they admit their motivation was greed, not self-preservation. His office assessment points to 16 unacknowledged lies that they say the brothers have told about the murders. Hodgman's has shown a stout refusal to acknowledge any form of abuse was taking place in the Menendez home. And like the prosecutors in their second trial, views the murder as a cold-blooded money grab from the boys from a wealthy family. Where do you guys stand with this? Let me know. You said the first trial judge limited their abilities to strip them down of their self defense claims, basically ensuring a guilty verdict. The legal system is messed up. Yeah, that is an understatement. But some people feel like they are right where they need to be at. Look, let me I'm gonna put the wig on because I know some of y'all say, "What, we missed the wig." Well, if y'all miss, listen, hit the like button. I'll put it on again for a little bit, but I gotta get my hair tie and everything. Let me get off camera. The judge needs to get ready. Hold up. I'll put the wig on again, okay? Now, again, the wig and all of this is for the jury, the Diddy trial, okay? But some of you guys were calling me over here, so I gotta go over here and cover this too, okay? That's what I gotta do. Now hold up. Let me get my hair on a ponytail. This wig is itchy, y'all. It is itchy, itchy, itchy. Now let me get this wig, okay? Hold up, y'all. And I gotta make sure the curls are curly. Now let me tuck in the other hair because I want to make sure that it's all in there. Okay. Everybody's tried on the wig so far, y'all. Everybody loves the wig. Okay, here we go. There we go. Hold up, y'all. Now this makes me look like I got a big forehead. I don't want a big forehead. There we go. Yeah, we were up earlier on this. Well, it does. I have a lot of questions. Absolutely. We should have a vote. You should have a vote as to why he should be let out. Let me know. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all hit the like button. Show some support. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The judge has retired to her chambers. Well, the judge is back. We're back. I do wonder how this is going to go. You said they did their time according to the manslaughter charges they were deprived of 35 years ago. Their current plea asks for the recognition of SA. Just saying. You like that, Mags? Thank you, Mags. Thank you. We do have the gavel, okay? You can leave your wig on. Listen, this thing gets itchy. I had it on for the whole Diddy thing. And the duck, were you there? Were you there at the Diddy trial? Were you there? Okay, because listen, some of y'all weren't there. I might have to find you. Super chats work. Thank you. The wig and the outfit is epic. Thank you. And I got my pearls, okay? Let's keep going. Didi, what are you laughing at? No, don't let me. We're waiting outside to figure out. Listen, we're waiting outside to see if Nathan is going to be removed. Okay, I do wonder about this, but if he's going to be sticking, where's Becky at? If he's going to be sticking to crimes and really, sticking the book, I hope that he's sticking the book to other things too, because some people do deserve to have to have them thrown in jail. Yes. Little Pento, thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Did you stream? I did. You didn't get notified? Damn. I was there. And we had this is where I had the wig on. We definitely did stream. Order in my court, okay? I was under the impression the jury gave them life without parole. No. That's a great I think, hold up. In the initial trial, now there was 2 trials. Hold up. Let me see. I don't want to misspeak, but there was something Menendez brothers life without the possibility of parole. I think that was the initial thing. Yes. They were originally sentenced to life without the possibility of parole for the murders of their parents. However, there is a possibility they could be resentenced to life with possibility of parole. Okay. So especially if there's like new evidence and stuff like that. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. And the duck, thank you so much again for this jury fee. Thank you. You can leave your wig on. Thank you. I will do my best. Thank you. Some of you guys feel like you said yes, you do. Yes. Nathan, we want to make sure that you are also punishing those out there that have pending criminal cases that are, in my opinion, raising legal funds and more legal funds, which I have a lot of questions about the other legal funds. Now we're raising more legal funds when the initial legal funds were for a lawyer. Where the hell did those funds go? I think there should be multiple investigations there. I'm just saying. You said you're grabbing a pre-made protein shake. Thank you, Alice. Thank you for being a member for 7 months. I love that you have supported my channel. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you. Let's see. Who else is in the house? I don't see. Like, where's everybody at? The judge has spoken. I have. Oh, I gotta see. Do we have a press conference on this? Wonder what's going on in the hearing. Here we go. Hold up. Is everybody outside? Yep. It's everybody's waiting to see what's going on. I think we're all waiting. Will this new juror be removed, or this new prosecutor be removed? Oh my god! You said we have the same mother. Shut up! Shout out to BJ. BJ got her outfit too. Shout out to BJ. See, we ready for this, right? We ready for this. Shout out to BJ. The supporters got me a wig, and this is a very wig. Let me just say this. And I got to get a little purple streak on it too. Where are we at? Come on now. I'm like, I got multiple screens playing. Hold up, guys. Okay, BJ, I got to ask you in the chat. Are you surprised at all by the fact that they didn't make a decision today? I mean, or that they did, but that the jury was seated? I feel like people are going to quit over the weekend. You just never know. Hold up, this volume thing is going on. I feel like people are going to quit over the weekend. You just never know. Sam, thank you for becoming a member. I don't know. Yeah, I need my purple streak. I definitely do. I love it. Yay. Ooh, see? Yes. I was, but I actually thought about it more and I agree with the decision. What did you think about, hold up. What did you think about the way, so the defense is going to be treating this like this is a DV situation. We're talking about Diddy, y'all. Sorry. This is a DV situation, right? That she was putting hands on him and they were putting hands on each other. They're not denying DV. So I think that's interesting. I'm just saying. Sam has been a member for 22 months. Thank you, my love. Shout out to you. This is why happy to call in for a minute if you want. Yes. Let me drop the link. Hold up, BJ. Let me drop the link. Oh my God. Let me know while we wait for this Menendez stuff. Thank you, BJ. I think if there was 18 already picked, that would make it an easy pick on them. See, I was trying to understand like what was going to happen. Thank you, BJ. The link is in the chat if you want to drop in. Thank you. Oh my God. My head is itchy, Karen. My head is itchy. But we have one of those. Isn't this mine has a little ribbon at the back. And I don't have it all the way in, y'all, because I have a lot of hair. So I'll definitely get this prepared more to, when I do it, but I want to be able to do it very quickly, just so we can get on character. I'm getting used to it. Would you believe that I've never worn a wig before, y'all? Ever. I've had hair pieces, but I've never worn a wig. Ever. And I'm probably going to have to get something to make sure that the curls don't go out, but everybody was trying on the hair. Yes. BJ, I put the link in the chat. I'm going to send it to you on your DM too, or in the DMs. Oh my God. Diddy defense is taking the admit a little bit so we can deny the rest approach. Ooh. Did you, the other thing I was going to ask BJ, so Albie Shore did an interview. We just saw it on the other video. And Albie Shore said that, I'm going to put the link in our DMs. Thank you. No need. Oh, Christine. See, I thought so too. Thank you. I appreciate you. It's just to get in character, Christine. I promise. But this makes my forehead look like extra big, y'all. Look at me. Look at it. Trying to cover my forehead. The wig. This is how we hold it down. We have a wig here. Yes, we do. It's how we hold it down. Catching up. Love the wig. That wig. Thank you, Wendy. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, shout out to Miramari, who did the really cool, what is it, AI picture. Thank you. I look very judicial. You look judicial. I thank you. I try. How come they don't wear the wigs here in the US though? I do wonder. Like, how come these judges don't wear how come they don't wear, like, some of the other judges? You said better than Lyle's wig? How come they don't wear the wigs here? Like, I do wonder, how come everybody else in the other countries wear the wigs? Maybe I need to study a little bit more about courtroom history in the US and the UK and stuff like that. That's true, because they ran from the parliament. Well, there you go. We like to play dress up with rabbit. Yes. I think you already answered that question yourself, right? We ain't in England anymore. I'm just saying, it would be nice if the judges here wore the wigs and then we could really make fun of them. Just joking. Because they're itchy and sweaty. You ain't never lie. Like, honestly, oh my God. I might have a rash afterwards. We gonna make this work. You said I think George Washington with the wig. You are our founding leader, Rabbitha. Thank you. I concur. I'm gonna slam this because I concur. Thank you. Oh my god. And Sam, if I didn't say thank you again for becoming a member. You were already a member and being a member for 22 months. Oh, okay. We do have an update on this. No, we don't. Hold up. What is going on? Give me 1 second. Menendez. Oh, it's out. I don't know what happened. Okay. Let me see if we have an update on the news on this side. Hold up, guys. And then we're going to end this stream because I need a little break here. Okay. An hour ago, resentencing battle heats up. Judge weighs in the risk. Hold up. Let's see what's going on. Make sure you guys check out BJ, please, and thank you. You're sub to BJ. Awesome. Menendez brothers resentencing battle heats up as Los Angeles judge weighs risk. So this is where we're at. I mean, do we have an update yet? This was an hour ago. So today is the day that the issues will be worked out. This is what they wrote on Facebook. The motion is to disqualify the DA will be heard very, very likely to be denied. Okay, so the court is we're still waiting to figure out. The court is expected to rule on two key issues: the motion to recuse District Attorney Nathan Hochman and whether a confidential comprehensive risk, a CRA, can be considered in court. So the CRA has been a source of controversy. The older brother wrote that he is hopeful that the resentencing hearing date will be set for next week. So we're still waiting. We have not heard an update yet on the Menendez, and the stream for the outside court is done. So I'm going to end it right here, guys. But guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments about the Menendez. Shout out to BJ who came and gave us some perspective on Diddy. I'm going to clip that and put it in a separate video because our conversation was amazing, and you guys know I love BJ. Shout out to you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. I'll probably be live tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be live later. I highly doubt it, but I might put up a pre-recorded. Support the channel, hit the like button, and shout out to Too Persuasive, who's been a member for a month. Thank you, Too Persuasive. Telling everybody to hit that like button, please, and thank you, Sama. Thank you, Alice. Thank you, the Duck. Thank you, VS. Thank you for becoming a member. Y'all are amazing. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.